The market theme crude falls towards $69 a barrel, the lowest since 27 February, as shipping transits through the Strait of Hormuz accelerated. That said, oil prices could turn volatile as US and Iran exchange strikes and accuse each other of violating ceasefire. The US has conducted new strikes on Iran, following a drone attack on a Panama-flagged vessel in the Strait of Hormuz on Saturday. Another key variable headwind remains the disappearing monsoon. India's rain deficit jumps to 45%, clouds vanish. A timely arrival and healthy rainfall could improve rural sentiment, cool food inflation, and give Nifty bulls a much-needed reason to smile. Our call of the day history suggests that when one worry exits, another arrives, and yet, the stock market often continues climbing the wall of worry. Encouragingly, foreign institutional investors, FIIs, offered a strong cushion in Friday's trade, emerging as net buyers to the tune of 384 crore rupees, a signal that institutional risk appetite could make a big comeback. Bottom line, Nifty bulls may face a challenging start to the week as investors will be watching whether oil prices can sustain their recent decline despite renewed clashes between Iran and US. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In Thursday's bullish session, FIIs bought to the tune of Rs 384 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 5748 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation day out. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has plunged near 13.05 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, has inched higher towards 94.69 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.01 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.17. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.82. Midcap Nifty is at 0.89. Nifty outlook. Nifty bulls may have to absorb a fresh barrage of geopolitical headlines surrounding the fragile US-Iran peace deal. The biggest overhang is the southwest monsoon, which has slipped into another prolonged pause. Volatility is likely to be the hallmark of the day. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,056. Biggest make-or-break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,783 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,262 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,800 and 24,100. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 77,100. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 76,083 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,803 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,500 to 77,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 58,177. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 57,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,700 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,000 and 58,500. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. US stock indexes closed lower on Friday amidst fears of Federal Reserve rate hikes this year. Technical outlook. From a technical perspective, confirmation of fresh strength emerges only above Nifty's last week's high at 24,262. Until Nifty crosses to 4262, traders should expect heightened volatility as global geopolitics and crude oil remain key sentiment drivers. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. Larsen & Toubro, plus 0.83%, 4,216 rupees. Shares of Larsen & Toubro, Lanty, hit an over 4-month high at 4,271 rupees in Thursday's trade on improved business outlook. The stock quoted at its highest level since 27 February 2026. 2. Sterlite Technologies, plus 5.00%, 613 rupees. Shares of Sterlite Technologies were locked in the 5% upper circuit at 612 rupees and 75 paise in Thursday's trade after the company said it launched qualified institutional placement (QIP) issue at a floor price of 613 rupees and 69 paise per share. 3. Interglobe Aviation, plus 4.66%, 5,450 rupees. Share price of Interglobe Aviation witnessed a strong rally on the bourses in June following a sharp reversal in crude oil prices. Stocks closed in red. 1. Rajesh Exports, minus 4.99%, 97 rupees and 2 paise. Rajesh Exports fell 5% on Thursday to hit the lower circuit limit for the second consecutive session. 2. CSB Bank, minus 5.57%, 325 rupees. Share price of CSB Bank hit a 52-week low, falling 6% in an otherwise firm market.